What's going on, guys? Mike with NRG Creative, and update on some products coming up on your way. And it's a cold day here, so this is a record snowfall for Florida day. So stick around. I got some exciting news coming up for the season that's about to come. Of course, it's still season here, but the one that's coming up, 2025. You guys are gonna want these mounts. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. So, printer's going in the background. Got a couple of orders I need to fill here, but wanted to let you guys know about these new products. Just like with the side mount now we do have the one that fits the 36 millimeter pole, stainless steel hardware, very secure. This thing gets some awesome shots. This is probably one of my favorite mounts. They're all really my favorites because of the shots that they do. When you mix the front one with the stick that I produce, it's bulletproof, guys. But that's also the reason why I wanted to talk today. I've got the hood off of one of my skis here. You can see the modeling clay here. I'm going to try and reinvent the wheel for the front mount. So this is what I do. I come up with designs and then I will tweak them, or I'll come up with a new generation of them. I don't ever put a mount on the market that hasn't been thoroughly tested. If I've got one, I've had a lot of mounts that I've gone throughout the years that just didn't make it. I take it out and hit some rough water, something, it breaks. Lost a lot of cameras that way. So I don't do that. They are thoroughly tested. So if they're on my website, they are sturdy. There's nothing wrong with them. Now, again, just because I come up with a new generation mount doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with the old generation mounts. They're still there, and if you want that design, it's still available. But again, this is what I do. I don't copy somebody else's design. And you can tell when they do that because they've got maybe one design, maybe two designs, and that's all they do. That's all they know how to do. This is how we work. Coming up from scratch with a design and a mount, and it goes through trials and testing. We don't steal designs from other people. So those guys, that's all they know how to do is steal. They take other people's designs because they have no skills or no imagination. So you want to come to somebody that's got a portfolio of mounts. Look on my website. I've got many, not only for the 36 millimeter side now, but I've also got a new one. I don't have one here. I sold the last one, but I've actually got one on the printer now for it, for the SEADOO switch. It will hold the 36 millimeter selfie stick, as well as a flag and so on. But this one here is in development stages. I'm still waiting for this clay to dry so I can get some modeling points off of it. Trying to make that one even. I mean, it's pretty bulletproof now, but it's just like I said, it's going to be another generation. So you can feel confident that all of these mounts are tested, tried and through. This one right here, this is probably the I don't think there's anything left I can do to reinvent this one. I had to come up with a better and stronger idea after this mount was stolen. Somebody tricked me into giving them one, in exchange for advertising. They ended up stealing the design, and now they're calling it their own. So they can have it. They don't have this one. So I'll put my links in the description. Check them out. I do overseas orders as well. Guys, be patient with the overseas orders, the international. It's out of our hands. Once I put that label on it and send it to the post office, it is out of my hands, guys. Just keep checking your tracking number because you know as much as I do about it. Domestic shipping, you guys get them pretty quickly. Every one of my mounts, I pride myself on getting these things out really quick. They usually ship same day or next day. And you're not sitting around wondering where your mount is. Unless you're international, it's in the post office hands. But it has been shipped same day or next day. So guys, don't wait for those other mounts that are cheap. cheaply made, stolen. They have no idea how to fix anything or tweak or perfect anything. Get your mounts here. Be confident with your choice. We'll see you on the water.